CPU base speed, also known as clock speed or processor speed, indicates how fast your computer's brain, the CPU, can process instructions. This speed is measured in gigahertz, which means billions of cycles per second. For example, a CPU with a base speed of 3.0 gigahertz can handle 3 billion operations every second. To understand this better, imagine your CPU as a factory worker on an assembly line. The base speed is like the pace at which the worker can complete each task, such as putting together products. If the worker's base speed is 3 gigahertz, they can finish 3 billion tasks per second. The faster the base speed, the more products or instructions the worker can assemble in a given time. Base speed matters because it affects how quickly your computer can handle different activities. For everyday tasks like browsing the web or typing documents, a base speed of 1.6 GHz to 2.5 GHz is usually enough. However, for more demanding activities such as gaming or video editing, a base speed of 3.5 GHz or higher is better for smooth performance. For example, if you have a CPU with a base speed of 2.5 GHz, it's like a worker who can do 2.5 billion tasks per second. On the other hand, a CPU with a base speed of 4.0 GHz is like a faster worker who can do 4 billion tasks per second, so your computer feels quicker and more responsive. It is important to note that while a higher base speed is usually better, it is not the only thing that affects performance. The number of CPU cores, which are like having more workers in a factory, and how well they work together, also play an important role. Additionally, some CPUs can temporarily increase their speed above the base speed when needed. This feature is called turbo boost or boost clock. In short, CPU base speed tells you how many instructions the CPU can handle per second. It is measured in gigahertz, or billions of cycles per second. You can think of it as a worker's speed on an assembly line. A higher speed means more work gets done and your computer runs faster. While it is a good way to compare basic performance, remember that other features like the number of CPU cores also matter.